Hey everybody, this short video is going to be about a item that I found today. It's a great caddy for all things very low moisture carpet cleaning, and I've had many different buckets, but this one, and they call it a caddy bucket I believe, but it is a 5-gallon, basically like a tote, and it's open. It's built extremely strong and well. The handle's thick. It has a nice carrying top handle there that you have a grip on. And I've been doing a tremendous amount of upholstery lately. And I'll be showing, I have upholstery tomorrow. I have upholstery in all of my jobs, but I have a really huge one coming up, and I'll share that with you when I get there. But this way, instead of carrying my toolbox in, which is closed, and I have to open it up and access everything, I can carry my polisher, my chemical, my mini pads, the 8-inch microfibers and stuff like that, and whatever else I want. Plus, I bought 2 of these today for I think they're $9.44. It should show up here. You have to buy them at your local Walmart. I don't know if they're available online, but you could see the overall size there. They're fantastic for carrying pads of all sizes as well. You know, I've got quite a few different pads, and I try to keep as many on the truck as I can just in case I run into a difficult situation. And these are great. With the 2 of them, I'll have an extra one that I can maybe keep a little moisture in it, drop the dirty pads in there, and then just tote that up to the washer when I'm done for the day. And here's a brief description about the bucket. You can pause it and read it if you want to, or you can go on walmart.com and look up the 5-gallon extra large caddy bucket, and you'll see this information. Here's the item, $9.44 each. So, and they're priced for in-store purchase only. And I actually did a job today and got a $50 tip. I was really amazed and grateful that the person was so generous, so I thought I'd stop, pick these buckets up, or I was looking for something to carry my tools and things in, and these just happened to appear. So there you go. If you're interested, pick one up for yourself. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next episode.